In this video, we're looking at solving linear equations. We're given two equations that we must solve simultaneously. We have equation 1 and we have equation 2. Now in solving these equations, we will examine both variables x and y. Before the x terms, we have 3 and 1 respectively, though we don't usually put the 1. Before the y terms, however, we have the same coefficient of positive 2. That enables us to eliminate the y terms easily. So we'll have 3x minus x, 2y minus 2y, and 16 minus 12. In other words, we will subtract from equation 1 equation 2. And that result will be what? Well, 3x minus 1x, consider that's the 1 there. 3x minus 1x will give us 2x. 2y minus 2y will give us 0. In other words, the y terms are cancelled out. This will be equal to 16 minus 12, that's 4. And now we can simply solve for x. 2 times a number gives us 4. That means x is equal to 2, since 2 times 2 gives us 4. Or we can just simply divide both sides by 2. 2 goes into 2 once, that leaves us with x, or 1x, and 2 goes into 4 twice. And so we've found the first value. That is the value of x. Now let us find the value of y. So what we do, we'll substitute x equal 2 in any one of the equations, either equation 1 or 2. Let's choose equation 1. So let's write equation 1, which is 3x plus 2y equals 16. Next, we will substitute x equals 2 in this equation. So we're going to have 3 times the value of x, which is 2, plus 2y equals 16. Now 3 times 2, that's 6, and put by 2y equal 16. Now to isolate the y, or solve for y, we need to remove the 6 first. And so we'll subtract 6 from both sides. So we have subtracting 6 from 6, but the plus 2y equals 16 minus 6 as well. So notice what we did to the previous step. All we did was simply subtract 6 from both sides. 6 plus 2y equals 16. But from both sides, we subtract 6. Now 6 minus 6 will give us 0. In other words, these two will cancel out, leaving us with positive 2y equals 16 minus 6, that's 10. 2 times a number give us 10. In other words, y must be equal to 5. Or we could simply divide both sides by 2. Since we want to get rid of the 2 to isolate y. What we do to one side, we do to the other side. And so this will give us y equals 5. So we have found the value of x and the value of y. X equals 2 and y equals 5.